Excellency, I now have the honor to invite the Chief of Protocol to read the commendation of Fiji's High Commissioner to New Zealand.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Ratu Inoke Kubuabola, High Commissioner Designate of the Republic of Fiji to New Zealand for this morning's commissioning ceremony. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has fulfilled all the prerequisites required to ensure that all Fiji's interests are covered while your servant Ratu Inoke Kubuabola is in post. Your Excellency, Ratu Inoke Kubuabola, whom you have faithfully dispensed, is now ready to duly execute his calling to be High Commissioner of the Republic of Fiji to New Zealand. I thank you, Your Excellency.
I, Inoke Kubuabola, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Inoke Kubuabola, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the High Commissioner with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office consciously to the best of my ability. So help me God.